Greetings! I'm going to now show you how to create a journal entry with pictures or photos as part of the entry. The first thing I need to do is I'm in Mahara here. First thing I need to go to is the Content tab, Files, and upload the images. So I go Choose Files, and your computer might look differently, but we just navigate to the pictures that you want. Now uploading, and I'll select another picture. Okay, and the upload is complete, and you can see the two images in the upload area. Next part I go to on the content menu is the journal entry. And here's the journal. So I'll now create a new entry, clicking on the new entry button. I'll give it a title. I've decided to call it Pictures. You could call it anything. Now then, this is a familiar editor that's used throughout Mahara. So I'm just going to add some text to make up the body of my post. Doesn't have any meaning at all. Right, now the important part, how to add an image. Having written your journal entry, there are a couple of places you might want to put an image. So you might want to put an image at the bottom of your post. So here's the last line. Here we need to create a new line by pressing Enter. This is the location where the image will be added. You need to now scroll down a little bit, go to Attachments, and add a file. Okay, and I'm going to put the color image. I will select it, and it's now part of the attachments for this post. I can now go back up, click for my insert point, and right next to the smiley face here is Insert Edit Image. I click on that. I go down to Attached Image and select the file I've just added to attach to the post. I can leave everything else as it is now and just click Insert. And there it is at the bottom of my post. Another location you might want to put an image is at the top of your post. So here I go to the top of my post, and again I hit Enter to make a new line. Then I click at the top of the post. This is the insert point, and again I go to the Insert Edit Image, and I'm going to put the same picture, but you could use another one. I select the image and click Insert. And now I have an image at the top of my post and an image at the bottom of my post. Where else might you want to put an image? Well, you might want to put an image in the middle of your post, at the side, on the left or the right. let's try the left side. I'm going to use a smaller image this time because smaller images generally suit this location better. So let's attach another image to this post. Come down to the file selection. Lantern small is the one I want. We click on select. It's now an attachment to this journal entry. Now I'll decide whereabouts in the post I want to put it. And I think I'll put it in the second paragraph, just at the top here. This is my insert point, so the image is going to appear here. And we want it to appear on the left. Okay, so here. And again, insert edit image button. I press that. I choose the image I want to put in, which is lantern small. Now the alignment, this time I'm going to choose left alignment here. Left. And because it's going to be in the middle of the text, I don't want the text set up right next to the photo, so I'm going to create a small space by putting in some vertical space at 10 and some horizontal space at about 10. If you find that's too small, you can increase it to 20. Click Insert, and there's my image. This particular image is about 100 pixels wide, so it's quite small. Let's try and put an image in this paragraph here, this time on the right hand side. Okay, so I click the insertion point here, just there you can see the cursor. I go up to Insert Edit Image. I select the image I want to insert, and I'm going to put the same one. Because it's in the middle of the body of the text, I'm going to give it some space. So I'll put, again, vertical space of 10 and a horizontal space of 10, and click Insert. If something like this happens and you don't like the result, simply click on the image and from your keyboard hit Delete. What I forgot to do was set the alignment. Okay, let's try again. I've got the insert point correct there. Small alignment right. Vertical space 10. Horizontal space is 10. And insert. And here's my post. So I've got a picture at the top of the post, some text, a picture to the left of the post, a picture to the right of the post, and a picture at the bottom of the post. Once I've finished editing my post, I'll scroll down to the bottom here and click on Save Entry. And here's my post. You can see the picture I've used here is a little bit big. It's 400 pixels wide. I might want to make something smaller than that. And there's the finished journal entry. Okay. The attached files will appear down here, so that if people click on them, they can get just the individual picture. Right, that concludes this demonstration. I hope it's helpful for you. Thank you.